It always starts the same way. I open the door and the first thing I see is the beautiful canvas I have to work with. So I sit down, keep looking around and let the fun begin. Today we are checking out an outdated 500 square feet apartment with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, ideal for a compact yet functional living setup. Located in the coastal area of Porto Verde, Italy, this apartment captured the essence of life along Riviera Romagnola, known for its vibrant atmosphere and Mediterranean charm. For our redesign, the client's requests are crystal clear. This property will be dedicated almost exclusively to short-term rentals. Our redesign will be central to all marketing campaigns to position the property accurately on the market. All heating systems must be replaced and upgraded to improve the energy efficiency. Finally, the style we need to create will blend industrial, contemporary and pop vibes. First thing first, let's analyze the short-term rental market in the area. We notice right away the 3 distinct price categories. Number 1, below 100 euros per night. This includes property like our apartment, which currently has a poor design and minimal marketing. Number 2, from 250 to 350 euros per night. Property of this range shows significantly improved marketing and interior design quality. Number 3, above 2000 euros per night. This tier features villas up to 12 guests, and despite it's outside the scope of our redesign, it highlights the presence of high-end clientele in the area. Now I have a question for you. How much would you be willing to invest to redesign your short-term rental property to move from 90 to 350 euros per night? As I always do for my projects, I aim to identify the most crucial aspects to addressing the redesign. We have a hot water boiler overhanging in the middle of the wall, along with a poorly positioned radiators that partially cover the light switches. The old furniture are very vintage and outdated, lacking both contemporary and pop appeal. The kitchen made in Italy in the 90s need a complete replacement. The restroom is extremely narrow and challenging to navigate. The flooring features quirky blue tiles and traditional skirting boards that feel out of place. Finally, the doors, outlet and chandeliers need of course some updating. Now the situation is clear, it's time to dive into the floor plan. This is where Rayon Design, one of today's sponsors, comes in. Rayon Design is the ideal 2D modeling software for interior designer, allowing you to create floor plans just like this one in no time. Don't believe me? Let's do it together. We start with the wall icon to design the perimeter of the apartment. Next, we add the drywall and our structure is complete. Using the block icon in the upper left corner, we go to Library, we type Window, and we access the vast archive of blocks ready to drag and drop. Each element can be also manually edited to make it simpler and thinner as we need it. The same process applies for doors, which we can mirror in both directions with a simple click. The real game changer are the pre-made blocks for kitchens, living rooms, bedrooms, and bathrooms. For a free trial, go check out the link in description. We have looked at plenty of images, but only when we analyze the floor plan, we truly understand the inefficiencies and the direction we need to take. Here is the current floor plan, with a kitchen and a living space, a main bedroom, a secondary bedroom, a bathroom, and a transitional area in the center of the apartment. I found that the main facade faces southeast. This orientation provides excellent morning sunlight in the living room and the main bedroom, while the rest of the apartment enjoys natural light later in the day. On the other hand, all the furniture have their own issues. For example, the kitchen is compact but faces the wall. There is neither a TV nor a TV stand in the living area. The second bedroom has only a single bed. And finally, the bathroom and the shower are overly cramped and uncomfortable. So now it's time to start addressing those issues. I would start demolishing 2 drywall partitions and rebuild them to expand and improve the bathroom. In the kitchen, I would install a custom peninsula where the cook faces the guest, setting the perfect ambience for an aperitivo. As a consequence, the living area gets slightly bigger, with a coffee table and a 75-inch TV. In the main bedroom, we gain a TV mounted on the wall and 2 closets hidden in the back. In the second bedroom, we replace the single bed with a queen size, a floating closet and a large TV as well. The bathroom has been fully redesigned with a comfortable shower area, reoriented fixture, and a breathtaking freestanding sink. Before, after. Another important step is to create a visual mood board. Whenever I find something inspiring, I simply drag and drop it into freeform. It's very important to gather image references from various sources, like magazines, Italian furniture website, or just even browsing on Pinterest. And of course, when the exercise is complete, I organize all the images and I use them to define the color palette, aligning it with the overall design vision. It's a while now I'm trying to change few things in my desk setup, a solution to make my space more functional and neat. And that's where Hexcal, today's video sponsor, comes in. Hexcal Studio is a multifunctional desk workstation designed to improve the organization and the functionality of your space. Built with premium materials and a minimal design, this product is made to last. Simple things which normally require a cable are fully integrated in the dock, and if you work in a dark environment like I do, its adjustable LED lighting feature is a relief for your eyes. But the best part is the removable upper cover. In one simple click we gain access to the internal part of our station. We can use this space, for example, storing devices we use on a daily basis. One click and it gets back to normal. The back part of the dock offers 8 power outlets. Perfect to organize a clean and flash cable management inside the station. To enjoy a 10% off and Black Friday deals, go check out the link in the description. Okay, now it's time to get back to our project. I start selecting real suppliers, going through their product catalog. Here are my picks. Industrial resin flooring by AIRBNB, flush doors by Garofoli, minimal but functional windows by Kochif, shadow gap skirting board by AGS System. The kitchen got inspired by Ernesto Meda, couch from MDF Italia, coffee table by Molteni, bed by Lago Design, hidden closet by Rimadesio, freestanding sink by Antonio Lupi, and finally the TV stand designed by Ludovica and Roberto Palomba. Now let's the fun part begin, because it's time to create our 3D model and check if all the elements work together. As always, we start by deleting our default cube, we import our floor plan reference created with Rayon design. Next, we begin modeling the walls. Then it's time to add the windows and doors to complete the perimeter. Since the kitchen is custom built, it's modeled from scratch to optimize the space. For the other furniture, I use Dimensiva, a website that offers high-quality 3D models that I could easily import to my scene, and here's the result. Now we check that the normals are facing the right way, turning the scene all blue. We UV unwrap all the geometries and scale them properly for texturing. And voila, the model is ready to be exported and turned into reality. The end result, which you'll see in a second, are renderings generated in Unreal Engine 5. A real-time visualization software I didn't know at all before starting this video. I hope you'll forgive any aesthetic imperfections. Enjoy!